Ethical hacking, beginners to expert level. Features of this course. I have covered every ethical hacking practical step by step in this course. I discussed every topic to the point so you won't be bored. I am providing free updation facility for this course. I believe students must get proper response of our queries of them so they can achieve success in the course. So I am providing full of support for this course. Now we will discuss about what you will learn in this course. Before we start ethical hacking or penetration testing, we will set up lab to perform attack and do practice. I have divided this course into 5 phases: footprinting and reconnaissance, scanning, gaining access, maintaining access, and clearing cover tracks. In footprinting and reconnaissance part, attacker gather as much information about target. Then we will discuss about some tools of footprinting and will see practical demo of footprinting tools. In scanning computer networks, we will see how attackers scan target devices and gather information about operating systems, services, live ports, devices, etc. In enumeration, we will see how we can gather operating system information using enumeration techniques. In viruses, Trojan, and malware, we will see how viruses Trojan works and how we can make viruses Trojan malwares, and also we will launch powerful attack using Trojan or malicious program. In system hacking, you will learn how we can perform system hacking techniques. In password cracking, you will learn about password cracking techniques. In sniffing, attacker runs sniffing tool to sniff information from networks. When computer try to communicate over the network, it is also known as man-in-the-middle attack. In steganography, you will learn how attacker hide malicious program with files and send to the target. And social engineering, you will learn how you can gather credentials information using these techniques. In denial of service, you will learn how you can down the target system for a while by performing DOS attack. In session hijacking, you will learn to take control over session when client communicate with the server or other devices. In hacking, web server part, you will learn web server hacking techniques. In buffer overflow, you will learn how write data to buffer, overrun the buffer's boundary, and overwrites adjacent memory. In SQL injection, you will learn about hacking on SQL Server. In this topic, you will understand about SQL Server hacking, database theft using SQL injection. In mobile hacking, you will learn how to hack mobile platform and secure them. In firewall, IDS and IPS, you will learn how to secure your network using firewall, IDS and IPS. In cryptography, you will learn about encryption methods and algorithms of computers to secure them. Then we will discuss about wireless hacking. So how to get success with this course? Just watch 2 videos on daily basis and perform at your own lab. And I've already discussed, I will show you how you can create hands-on lab and what you will get after completion of this course. You will be able to perform penetration testing. You can work as cybersecurity professional in their world, get the job easily in the market, and you will be more advanced level secure computer user. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.